again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to open another box. I had this for about 2 weeks. As always, folks, I appreciate everything that is sent to me, and I do my best. I open every box on video to show respect for the sender. Plain and simple. But before I get to the box, let's open my beer. And today we are having Stone Hop Revolver IPA, 7.7% alcohol by volume. Ferro Rod bottle opener from Carolina Chris Outdoors. Check out the beautiful color, man. Very nice. Cheers. Let me wrap it out with my Colorado Bushcraft koozie. Check out the quality on this koozie right here. There it is, folks. Today's box comes from Randy Huffman. Randy Huffman and I have been subscribed for a very long time, since the beginning of my channel. And his channel name has changed a little bit. Right now it's Birdman 649. I encourage you guys to check it out. It is some beer. Stegmaier Winter Warmer from Philadelphia, right away. Birdman 649 is in Philadelphia, and this is some Philadelphia beer. Thank you, Birdman 649. Cheers. .8% alcohol by volume, man. I will be tasting this one soon. Randy Huffman, Birdman 649. Thank you very much for the beer, man. I appreciate it very much. Cheers, Randy, and thank you for the gift. Folks, I'll leave a link to Randy Huffman, Birdman 649. Check out his videos. He's got a couple. He's got 3 videos. He's deleted some, but check it out, man. If you like what you see, give him a sub. See you guys in the next video. Cheers, everyone.